Hello, my name is Austin, and today I'm going to be talking about greatest common factoring. Greatest common factoring is when you have two numbers, and you have to see how many multiplication sentences you can multiply into that number. And then you have to find the two numbers that are the same and the largest one. So, say I have 15 and 20. 3 times 5 equals 15, and 4 times 5 equals 20, and 2 times 10 equals 20. But we don't have any more 2s, any more 10s, any more 4s, any more 3s, but our biggest number that are the same is 5, is 5. So we have 2 5s, and your answer will be 5. And that is the greatest common factor. Thank you for watching this math video. I hope this was really useful to you.